Now, 21st year question is solve the pair of equations algebraically. 101 101 x plus 102y is equals to 304. Second equation is given as 102x plus 101y is equals to 305. If you observe these equations, the coefficients of x and y are interchanged. Here the coefficient of x is 101. Here the coefficient of x is 102. Here the coefficient of y is 102. Here the coefficient of y is 101. So when the coefficients of x and y are interchanged, there is a shortcut method. So I might have told you it before. Again, I will tell you this. First of all, write what are the given equations. 101x plus 102y is equals to 304. Next, 102x 101y equals to 305. Here the coefficients of x and y are changed. Let this equation 1 and this equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2 once. Add equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 is 101x plus 102y is equals to 304. Under that, 102x plus 101y is equals to 305. Add. So 101x, 102x, it is 203x. Next, 102y, 101y, it is also equals to 203y equals to 304, 305. So 609. Now on the left side you can take 203 common. You will have x plus y is equals to 609. Right. Send 203 right side. We will have x plus y is equals to 609 by 203. So 203 ones are 203 3 is. Now this will become x plus y is equals to 3. Let this equation 3. Now in the second case, subtract equation 1 and 2. So you can write like this. From equation 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2. What is equation 1 here? 101x plus 102y is equals to 304. Under that, write equation 2. 102x plus 101y is equals to 105. So subtraction, change the symbols. So now this is minus 102. Now this will be minus, and this is also minus. Now add 10x minus 102x, which is equals to minus x. Next, 102y minus 101y is plus 1y equals to, now 104, 105, 104 minus 105 equals to minus 1. Okay, let this equation 4. Now from equation, add equation 3 and 4. or you can write like this: from equations 3 and 4. What is equation 3? X plus y is equals to 3. Equation 4 is minus x plus y is equals to minus 1. Add. So plus x minus x gets cancelled. Now y plus y is 2y. 2y is equals to, next 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So send 2 right side, left side, 2 right side, 2 by 2, which is equals to 1. So y is equals to 1. So to find x value, let's take from equation 3. What is equation 3? X plus y is equals to 3. So substitute y value 1. So x plus 1 is equals to 3. Send 1 right side. Now x is equals to 3 minus 1. Now x is equals to 2. So therefore the solution is 2 comma 1. X coordinate comma y coordinate. So this is the solution for this question. 22a question is a sec theta plus b tan theta is equals to m and b sec theta plus a tan theta is equals to n. So prove that a square plus n square is equals to b square plus m square. So let's write what is given first. It is given that a sec theta plus b tan theta is equals to m. Next, b sec theta plus a tan theta is equals to n. So what is required to prove? We need to prove that a square plus n square is equals to b square plus m square. Yes, let's take the first one. A sec theta plus b tan theta is equals to m. So this one. So in the required one we have a square, n square, b square, m square. For that we need to squaring on both sides. So a sec theta plus b tan theta whole square, left side square and right side also square. Now let's apply a plus b whole square formula on the left side. A plus b whole square formula: a sec theta whole square, a square plus b tan theta whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab means 2 into a sec theta into b tan theta is equals to m square. Right. Now here a sec theta whole square is a square sec square theta plus b tan square theta, b tan theta whole square. So b square tan square theta is equals to 2 into a into b. So 2ab sec theta into tan theta is equals to m square. So let this equation 1. Next, what it is given? Second one, b sec theta a tan theta is n square. So it is given that b sec theta plus a tan theta is equals to n. Now again squaring on both sides. B sec theta plus a tan theta whole square is equals to n square. Now apply a plus b whole square formula. B sec theta whole square plus a tan theta whole square equals to n square. Sorry, a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So 2 into b sec theta into a tan theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to n square. Now this will be equals to b sec theta whole square is equals to b square sec square theta plus a tan theta whole square is equals to a square into tan square theta. Now here 2 into b into a, 2ab sec theta into tan theta equals to n square. So equation 2. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. From equation 1. So what is equation 1? A sec square theta b tan square theta a square sec square theta plus b square tan square theta plus 2ab sec theta tan theta m square. So under that write equation 2. What is the equation 2? This one. Here the coefficient of a square here. Here we have a square term, right? A square. So right here a square tan square theta. Now here you have b square sec square theta. Under that you write b square sec square theta plus this one 2ab sec theta tan theta equals to n square. So change the symbols, minus 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 and this also minus. Add. What do we have here? A square sec square theta minus a square tan square theta. We will have this one a square sec square theta minus a square tan square theta. Next here b tan square theta minus b square sec square theta. So we will have b square tan square theta minus b square sec square theta. So this is plus 2ab sec theta tan theta. This is minus 2ab sec theta tan theta. Now on the right side we will have m square minus n square. Now so let's take a square common here. If we take a square common, we will have a square of sec square theta minus tan square theta inside the bracket. Here you can take b square common. So b square of tan square theta minus sec square theta equals to m square minus n square. Again here a square of sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now let's take this minus common from here. So it will become minus b square of, if we take minus common, we will have sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to m square minus n square. What is this sec square theta minus tan square theta? From the second identity, what is the second identity? 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. This is the second identity. If it send tan square right side, 1 is equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So therefore, in place of sec square theta minus tan square theta, we can write 1. So let's write 1. So this is 1, right? So a square into 1 minus b square into, so this is also 1, equals to m square minus n square. So a square into 1, a square minus b square equals to m square minus n square. Bring minus n square left side, send minus b square right side. So we will have a square plus n square. If you bring minus n square left side, if you send minus b square right side, becomes plus b square plus m square. So this is what we have to prove, and we got it. Where is the required one? Yes, this one. A square plus n square is equals to b square plus m square. So we got it. Now 21b question. What is the 21b question? In a pair of supplementary angles, the greater angle exceeds the smaller angle by 50 degrees. So there is a pair of supplementary angles, means whose sum is 180 degrees, and the greater angle exceeds the smaller angle by 50 degrees. Express the given situation as a system of linear equations into variables, and hence obtain the measure of each angle. We have to find the what is the first angle and what is the second angle. So let us take, let the angles be x and y. Let's angles be x and y, and let us think that x is greater than y. So what is given? It is, so they are supplementary angles, means angle x and angle y are their supplementary angles. So their sum is 180 degrees, equation 1. And it is given that x is greater angle is 50 degrees more than the smaller angle, means this x will be equals to y plus 50. Sum of 50 degrees and y will be equals to x degrees. So let this equation 2. Substitute this x value in equation 1. So from equation 1, you can substitute x value. So what is equation 1? X plus y is equals to 180. So in place of x, you can substitute y plus 50. So y plus 50 or 50 plus y. So in place of this x, 5 plus 50 plus y equals to 180. So y plus y is 2y. 2y plus 50 equals to 180. Send 50 right side. 2y is equals to 180 minus 50. Now 2y is equals to 130. Send to right side. If you send to right side, y is equals to 130 by 2, which is equals to 65. So y is 65 degrees. So to find x value, let's take equation 2. From equation 2, what you can write? From equation 2, x is equals to y plus 50. So y we got 65 plus 50 degrees. So x is equals to 115 degrees. So therefore the angles are 115 degrees and second angle is 65 degrees. That's it. So 22b question is what is the 22b question here? Use the identity sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. Prove that tan square a is equals to 1 equals to sec square a. So to prove this tan square a plus 1 is equal to sec square a, we have to use this identity. And find the value of tan a if sec a is equals to 5 by 3, where a is an acute angle. So what it is given here, let's write first. It is given first. We have to use this sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So we have to use this one. And also it is given that sec a is equals to 5 by 3. So what is required to prove? We have to prove that tan square a plus 1 is equals to sec square a. Also we have to find what is the tan a value. Okay. So let's take LHS. Left hand side of the required to prove tan square a plus 1, right? So tan square a can be written as sin square a by cos square a, because tan a can be written as sin a by cos a plus 1. Now let's multiply 1 and cos square a. So what do we will get? Sin square a plus 1 into cos square a whole by cos square a. So it is given that already sin square a plus cos square a value is 1. Let's substitute 1 by cos square a. 1 by cos square a is nothing but sec square a. So therefore tan square a plus 1 is equals to sec square a. So this one is done. And it is given that sec is 5 by 3. Sec theta is 5 by 3, right? So we know that just now we got tan square a plus 1 is equals to sec square a. Here substitute sec a value 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 whole square. Tan square a plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3 whole square. Now tan square a is tan square a plus 1 is equals to 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. Send plus 1 right side. It becomes tan square a is equals to 25 by 9 minus 1. Multiply this. Tan square a is equals to 25 minus 1 into 9 minus 9 whole by 9. Now tan square a is equals to 25 minus 9, 16 by 9. Now tan a is equals to tan square a is equals to 16 by 9. Now tan a value is root 16 by 9. So therefore tan a is 4 by 3. Tan a is 4 by 3. So this is the solution for this question. So 23rd question is prove that abscissa of point P, abscissa means x coordinate of point P, which is equidistant from the points with coordinates A 7, 1, B 3, 5 is 2 more than its ordinate. Means here the point P x coordinate is 2 more than the y coordinate. That's what we have to find. We have to prove. And this P is equal distance from these 2 points. So the point P is equal distance from the given 2 points, and in point P x coordinate is 2 more than the y coordinate. So that's what we have to find. So what it is given here, point P, let it be x comma y, is equal distance from point A, which is 7 comma 1, point B, which is 3 comma 5. So let's find x value, y value first. Coordinates of point P. So when P is equal distance from A and B, we know that PA distance is equals to PB distance. Apply the distance formula. What is the distance formula? D is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, difference of y coordinates whole square, difference of x coordinates, sorry, difference of x coordinates whole square, difference of y coordinates. So now PA distance is nothing but under root of difference of x coordinates square, 7 minus x whole square, difference of y coordinates square, square of y difference of y coordinates, so 1 minus y whole square. PB distance under root of difference of square of difference of x coordinates, 3 minus x whole square, y coordinates is 5 minus y whole square. So here, so this square left side square root, right side square root, it gets cancelled. Now we'll have 7 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square is equals to 3 minus x whole square plus 5 minus y whole square. Apply a minus b whole square formula on the left side and right side. Now here a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 into 7 into x. Now for this one, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into y, right side. For this one, 3 minus x whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 minus 2 into 3 into x. Next 5 square plus y square minus 2ab minus 2 into 5 into y. So now 7 square is 49 plus here x square minus 2 7 in minus 2 into 7 into x minus 14x plus 1 square is 1 and y square is y square minus 2 into 1 into y minus 2y equals to 3 square is 9 plus x square is x square. Here minus 2 into 3 into x minus 6x plus 5 square is 25 and y square is y square minus 2 into 5 into y minus 10y. So left side x square, right side x square cancel. Left side y square, right side y square cancel. So what are the remaining things on the left side? 49 plus 1 is 50. Next, what do we have? Minus 14x minus 2y. Minus 14x minus 2y on the left side. So let's go for the right side. 9 plus 25 is 34 and minus 6x minus 10y. Minus 6x minus 10y. Now bring all right side things to left side. So let's write what are the left side things here. 50 minus 14x minus 2y, and if you bring 34 left side becomes minus 34. If you bring minus 6x left side becomes plus 6x. If you bring minus 10y left side plus 10y, so right side we will have only 0. Now add the like terms. 50 minus 34 16. Next, minus 14x plus 6x, so you'll have minus 8x. Next, minus 2y plus 10y is plus 8y equals to 0. Now 16, send minus 8x plus 8y right side. If you send minus 8x side, 8x left side right side will get plus 8x. If you send plus 8y right side becomes minus 8y. Otherwise we can write it as 8x minus 8y is equals to 16. Let's take 8 common on the left side. If you take 8 common on the left side becomes minus x of 8 of x minus y is equals to 16. Send 8 right side. X minus y is equals to 16 by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are. Now x minus y is equals to 2. Otherwise we can write it as x is equals to 2 plus y. That means here x coordinate is 2 more than the y coordinate. So abscissa is 2 more than the ordinate. Therefore x coordinate means abscissa. Abscissa is 2 more than ordinate, y coordinate. Now 23rd question is, sorry, 24th question. P is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle APC is equals to angle BAC. Prove that AC square is equals to BC into CP. So let's draw the triangle. There is a triangle ABC. It is not given that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. P is a point on BC side. A, B, C. So P is a point on BC side, and it is given that so what it is given here, angle APC is equals to angle BAC. Where is angle APC? APC, this one, angle at P, BAC, BAC, this one, angle APC, angle BAC are equal. So what is required to prove? We need to prove that AC square is equals to BC into CP. So let's try to prove it. So to prove this one, let's compare the small triangle and big triangle. What are the small triangle? What are the big triangle? So it is given that angle at P in triangle ACP, otherwise okay, let's compare the triangle, big triangle in triangle ABC, and in small triangle, what is a small triangle? APAC. Yes, which triangle we are comparing? We are comparing the triangles ABC. So this triangle, so here the 11th question is, so we are comparing triangle ABC, triangle APC, PAC, APC or PAC. So let's compare the triangles. Yes. Angle at A is equals to angle at B, right? So angle at A in triangle ABC is angle BAC. Angle BAC. Angle at P in triangle PAC is angle APC. So it is given already in the problem. So what it is given? Angle at A in the triangle ABC, angle at P in the triangle APC are equal. And angle at C is equals to angle at C. This one is common. Angle C is equals to angle C because it is common in both the triangles. So therefore these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. Therefore we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PAC by angle similarity. So when these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional, right? So what are the corresponding sides? AB, PA, or you can write AP, AB by AP, and what are the other corresponding sides? BC, AC. So BC by AC. Next other corresponding sides AC by PC equals to AC by PC. In the required to prove, what do we have? AC square. We need two ACs. We need BC, CP. So for that, which fraction we have to take? So this one. Here we have two ACs, BC, PC, right? So you can take this one. What you can take? You can take BC by AC is equals to AC by PC. Send AC right side, bring PC left side. Now it becomes BC into PC is equals to AC into AC. AC into AC can be written as AC square equals to BC into PC. So this is the answer. Now 25th question is, what is the 25th question? The number of red balls in a bag is three more than the number of black balls. So number of red balls are three more than the number of black balls. If the probability of drawing red ball at the random from the given is 12 by 23, find the total number of balls given in the figure. So number of red balls three more than the number of black balls, right? So let the number of black balls be x. Let the number of black balls be x. So if the number of black balls are x, then number of red balls. So number of red balls will be 3 more, means x plus 3. So what it is given? Probability of, it is given that probability of red ball is 12 by 23. So probability of red ball. Probability of drawing red ball is 12 by 23. Is it 12 by 23? Yes, 12 by 23. Now, but how we get the probability of red balls? Number of red balls by total balls. So number of red balls are x plus 3. Total balls are red balls plus black balls. X plus 3 plus x equals to 12 by 23. So here x plus 3 by x plus x 2x by 3 is equals to 12 by 23. So bring 23 left side and 2x plus 3 right side. Now it becomes 23 of x plus 3 is equals to 12 of 2x plus 3. Now 23 into x, 23x plus 23 into 3, 69 equals to 12 into 2x is 24x, 12 into 3, 36. So send 23x right side, bring 36 left side. 69 minus 36 equals to 24x minus 23x. 69 minus 36, it is equals to 30, 33. So 33 is equals to 24x minus 23x is 1x. So x is equals to 33. So number of black balls are 33. So therefore number of black balls 33. Number of red balls 3 more than the black balls, right? So number of red balls is equals to 33 plus 3, which is equals to 36.